Sliders are a classic American favorite. Let's make them even better with some crunchy bacon. I've cooked this bacon until it's nice and crisp. You can start with really thin bacon or use the thick cut like I have here. Cook it until it is nice and crispy. I'm gonna take each piece of bacon and I'm gonna chop this into fine pieces. Let's make a classic burger. We're gonna take some 80-20 ground chuck. We like the amount of fat that is. And you wanna take, this is about a 3-ounce patty that we're gonna use. And we're gonna pat some of that air out so that it stays together. These will shrink pretty significantly once we cook them. We're gonna turn up our heat so that when our burgers hit the pan, there is some sizzle. Okay, our pan is heated. We're gonna take a little seasoning salt and season our burgers. We're just seasoning them on one side for now. Once your patties are in the pan, we're gonna season the other side. As your burgers are starting to cook on one side, we're gonna layer in some of this chopped crispy bacon. And as it cooks, we're gonna smash them. So our burgers are about cooked halfway, so it's time to flip them. Oh, these look so good and they smell so good. Now that these have been down for about a minute, I'm gonna smash them even more. When we were in culinary school, they taught us not to smush our proteins, but this will be so good with that bacon just forced into the patty. Okay, so our patties are about 2/3 of the way done now. I'm gonna take some nice cheddar cheese and layer them right on top. If you want them to melt faster, you can give it a cover and let it melt for a few seconds, but these are hot enough, they'll melt nicely by themselves. All right, the cheese is nice and melted. I have some great brioche buns that I have pulled the top off of them and they are ready to plate. Oh yes, this will be the best bacon cheeseburger you've ever had. Our burgers are ready to top. We're just gonna put our top buns on. Of course, you can put whatever fixings you want on your burgers. Let's go classic style. That's just a plain bacon cheeseburger.